Hi and welcome to part 1 of Watermelon Summer Tier Tray Decor. I just used some poster colors, some color pens and acrylic colors for making my watermelon, and you would agree it's just so easy. For my first DIY, I took this rectangular sign which stands horizontally on tier trays or shelves, vignettes, and I am writing the word home with black color pen. It's simple, just write down your words the way you want it, or you can stencil it or you can just stamp it. It's your choice. I just prefer to lightly letter down things with a pencil before going with the colors so that I don't make mistakes. So I wrote H, M and E, and in the place where the O has to come, I'm going to paste my watermelon cutout here. And I have a cute home sign ready in watermelon summer decor theme. For my second DIY, I took an old silver plate. You have seen this before. I thrifted it and painted it in green color. In my last video, Thrift Flip, I'm going to use one of those plates to give you an idea how you can use such plates. And I'm just going to take another paper and paint a watermelon inside it, give it a slight watered down yellow edging with slightly merging towards red and lots of reddish deep red center. And once this is dry, I'm going to use some decoupage glue, apply it onto the plate and then glue my paper onto it. I'm using a brush to apply the decoupage glue all around and even on top of my paper or the watermelon, so that the watermelon print is now protected and has a lovely shine over it. If there is any bubble or any crease, just flatten it using your brush. Now once this is dry, I just also added a little bit of green onto the edges so that it just gels in with the background of the plate and it looks like a real watermelon onto the plate. Once everything was dry, I took black color pen and wrote the words welcome. And a lovely plate decor. It will look great on shelves or tier trays. For my third DIY, I took another small rectangular sign, again in white, and I'm making a watermelon here. Again, I'm using watercolor and color pens for this. My today's video is part of the Hello Summer DIY challenge that is being hosted by Tammie from the Rusted Willow, Ellie from DIY From House to Home, and the guest host this month is CJ DIY. So I'll put links to all these three lovely YouTubers down in my description box below, along with this month's playlist for more summer decor ideas. Now after my watermelon was painted and ready, I painted the watermelon seeds with color pens and then I'm just writing down the words. So I'm using black color to write hello and summer and using a running font to write the word sweet in between. So it's hello sweet summer and a cute sign for decor. For my fourth DIY today, I'm using a tag sign. It is a rectangular tag sign. I love that it has got a grommet already and I have painted it or covered it with white already. Again, I'm going to make a watermelon, but this time just a slice of it. If you love watermelon crafts, or if you love summer fruit themed crafts and decor ideas for summer using fruits and watermelons, you must watch my videos on watermelon decor that I made last year, and also my summer fruits decor DIYs that I did sometime back. I'll put links to both these videos down in my description box and also in the end of the video. So once my watermelon slice was painted, I'm just going to cut it out with the circular flat base edge, and I shall glue it onto my tag sign. Now I'm taking one of this wooden spoon, or one can take popsicle stick. I just look for how much size I want and then cut it. It's thin wood and can be cut easily with scissors, and I'm going to glue it. And this is going to be a popsicle, a watermelon popsicle. And I'm going to write the words "just chill" here. And I think this is the coolest tag with summer decor theme. Before my final reveal, make sure that you come back to watch the part 2 of watermelon summer decor DIYs that is going to come very soon. So make sure you're getting notified for all my videos. So here is the final reveal, and I've put all my today's DIYs onto my tier tray, and there are 3 DIYs from my past videos as well. So you'll find all these links in my description box and towards the end of the video, and also in my summer playlist for such ideas and how to make them. So I really like how refreshing this whole tier tray looks, with a color scheme of red and green on the background of white, with subtle crispness of black here and there. I think this is perfect, very refreshing. Thank you so much everybody for watching, and make sure to come back for the part 2 of watermelon summer decor DIY ideas. Have a lovely day.